What up though? Deluise Krueger here, and here in front of me I have my first package of paint from Angelus Direct, and I'm very excited to open it up and see what's in here. Start customizing and refurbishing my shoes. So without further ado, let's open it up. Alright, first we have a lanyard, a little necklace. It came as a free gift. We got some painter's tape to paint off the sections you don't want to mess up. Got some reflective laces, reflective glow-in-the-dark shoelaces. Another free gift, a beach ball. That's cool. Another free gift, a carrying bag. Check that out. Yeah. Sit that there. Alrighty, let's see. I don't know where to start. Got a couple of mixing jars. This is a part of the premium dirty bread kit. Comes with the mixing jars. Got some jet black leather dye, ox blood leather dye, bottle of Soul Bright, set of 5-piece brushes, the matte acrylic finisher, let's see, we also it also comes with the leather preparer and deglazer, and got a brush here like a suede brush, Angelus. Ordered a matte acrylic finisher separately and a satin acrylic finisher. Ordered 2 more bottles of Soul Bright. Never have too many. Another set of paint brushes. And let's see. Oh, another bottle of leather preparer and deglazer. Alright, the paints. We have pearlescent 18 karat gold. We have neon popsicle green. And another 18 karat gold. Too soft. It's for mixing it with for airbrushing and purposes. Mixing it with other paints or stuff like that when you want to airbrush or use it in the sprayer. You mix it with the too thin. Flat black paint. Varsity red paint. Another bottle of too thin. Collector's edition maroon. This is for my maroon 5 suede ones. Clean those up one day. Collector's edition thunder yellow for my yellow and black 4s. And we have just plain white. And we have another black. Is this regular black? No. Flat black, regular black. Something like that. And what's this here? Fire red for my fire red 3s. You'll be seeing a video on those fairly soon. Glitterites paint. We got baby blue glitterites. See that? That's a nice color. Starlight blue glitterites. And tuxedo black glitterites paint. I got 2 of these. Tuxedo black. Candy pink glitterites. Nice sparkle on there. You could use that. Here we have a nice collector's kit. Painter's kit, whatever. This one is the 12 color kit. And in it I have metallic gold, navy blue, flat black, another flat white, just plain white, purple, light gray, dark gray, see that there, pink, look like Pepto-Bismol, metallic copper, I like that one. Yeah, we have just blue. It's a nice shade of blue. I like that. Autumn red. Yeah, and pewter, metallic pewter. I'm interested to see how that one looks on the product. Let me just see that there, like that. And we have another paint kit. This one is should be the pearlescent. Yes, pearlescent. This one, it's a 6 paint kit, but I ordered 2 paints or 2 kits. That's why it's 12 in here. So got pearlescent, sterling silver. Take a look at that one. We have pearlescent riot red, pearlescent prince purple, what's this? Pearlescent Pacific blue. I like that too. Yeah, that's got a nice shine on it. Pearlescent emerald green. Yep. Pearlescent rose gold. Ooh, this one's sweet. Ooh, that one is pretty. Yeah. And that's the last one. Like I said, it's a 6 paint kit, but I ordered 2, so it's 2 of each. Let's sit that there. And I also have a sticker, free gift. And I ordered some water and stain repellent. After I finished the shoes, put this on them. Or if you buy a new pair straight out of the store, definitely want to put some of this on it, keep them crispy or longer. And the easy cleaner. Okay, that's what this is for, this cleaner kit. The brush and the easy cleaner liquid. I ain't about to open it yet, but that's what's in here. It's easy cleaner. Whatever. Let's lay that down. Alright, so like I said, it's my first time ordering from Angelus. This will be my first time trying to customize or refurbish shoes, and first couple pairs I'll be trying are, got these blue Nike Cortez. You know, you can tell they kind of dusty. They're not bad shape, but you know, they're kind of dusty. They could use a spiffing. Let me get these together. I also have these green bean reflective 3M Jordan 5s. As you can tell, these need a touch up as well. You see the little fading right there on the inside and on the midsoles, a little creasing in the toe box. We're gonna get them together. Now, the pair I'm most excited to work on are these here. My fire red cement 3s. I bought these a couple of years ago when they came out, like 2007. I had them sitting up crispy. My cousins got a hold of them and they destroyed them. As you can see, they're all scraped up, the paint coming off, dirty and dingy. Got a little yellow back here. These are one of my all-time favorite pair of shoes, and they just been sitting locked up until I can figure out a solution for them. Here I have the solution for them. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna be putting those shoes back together. I'm gonna record the whole process so you can see step by step how it turns out, whether I fail or whether I succeed. Seeing as how I've never ever painted a pair of shoes before, I think I'll be fine. Well, alright guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.